Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, have you solved those questions?
Unfortunately, I could not. Someone was unwell in the family, so I had to go to the hospital.
Oh, so you can take class right now, or what do you say? Shall we
Yeah,
continue?
we go ahead with the class. Yes, please.
Okay, all right. So let us do CI. Okay, just first try your questions. If you face any problem, then I'll explain you again. Okay.
So we have to do cumulative interest today, right?
Yeah, yesterday we have done SI, so try all those questions related to SI. Today we'll do CI. Is it okay with you?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So as I told you, the formula in demo of amount. Okay, let us start.
Just give
Let's-
me a minute. I am getting a call from the hospital.
So you want to go over there?
No, no. I'll just give me a
Okay,
minute.
okay.
I'll just take
All
the
right.
call.
Okay, sure, sure, sure. Take call.
Yes, ma'am. Devitra, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. You can continue
Yes,
now.
yes.
So in
Yes, yes. I can
CI,
cut.
we have formula for amount. Okay, this is amount A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power n. And here n is number of uh, time intervals. Okay, like if we have quarterly in a year and we need to find for 2 years. Okay, so we have 4 quarters in a year, then 8 quarters in 2 years. Okay, then we'll take in this case n is equal to 8. Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's continue with question. So you didn't send me any exercise of CI. Can you send me? Because only
Yes,
examples
I'll do
are
it
there.
right away. Yeah, I'll do
Yeah,
it right
sure,
away.
sure.
Can you give me your address? I will courier the book to you as well because in the future we might need it for reference purposes.
No, no, you're not me. You can mention me author of book, okay, and just send me your exercise only. There's no need of entire book, so just send me, just click and send me exercise only. Because
Okay,
I
you
have
don't
my
need the
own
book.
material also. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I have this. I have this page. Just send me exercise of XCI. Okay, send me more questions because it has only 3 questions. So this is question number 20. Mr. Sinha borrow 12,000 for 4 years at compound interest rate of 8%. How much will we have to repay at the end of the period? So here P is equal to 12,000 and R is 8% and N 4. Got it? And we need to find A. And we have formula 1 plus R over 100 to the power N. So let us take it. I don't hear 12,000. P plus R is 8 over 100 to the power 4. By using calculator, you can find by using power C. This will be 1008 over 100 to the power 4. Or simply you can write 1.08 after dividing by 100, you'll get it to the power 4. Just find it and tell me by using calculator. Just find it. Just multiply 1.08 4 times. So you have 1.36048.
51,840.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Okay. Let us take it. So 8 just multiply with 12,000. Yeah. Have you multiplied?
Multiply 12,000 with
16,000. Yeah. 325.76. Okay.
how did you
This
get that? Can you
amount
just explain?
he has to pay. Yeah, tell
Yes.
me.
Can you
This amount,
tell?
yeah, ask.
Yeah, can you tell me how did you get 16,325? Because I am getting a different figure.
What?
1.08 into 4.
Let me 1.08 into 1.08 into 1.08 into 1.08. 4
That's
times you
4
need to
point.
multiply itself. Yeah,
That's
this is the same
4.32.
as. No, 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 no. See, just no, no. You need not by 4. Okay, not by 4. Just
Okay.
multiply 1.08 into 1.08 because you have 4 powers. You know, meaning of
Right.
power, we are multiplying itself 4 times,
Okay.
not by 4. Okay, so don't be confused. We need to
Okay.
multiply value itself 4 times.
Okay. That is 1.36.
Yes, exactly. And after multiplying with 12,000, you will get it
Multiplied by 12.
16,325.
Yes,
Okay, this amount,
16,325.86.
yes, this amount he has to pay at the end of 4 years.
Yes.
Okay. So let's do 21, question number 21. At what compound rate of interest sum of 20,000 will be amount to? Tell me the amount because this is hidden. Tell me this principal amount. Okay, no, not we have principal amount 20,000. We you have
29282.
okay in 21. We need to find R. P is 25 20,000, and we need to find R, and N is 4, and A. Tell me A. 29
282.
282. Okay. So let us put in formula. We have A. We are using on right side because we have formula. I'm not right now. Okay. Just use it formula. So A is, see, I'm using this because unknown we take on left side and known value will take on right side. So P is 20,000. In bracket we have R over 100 to the power 4, and that is equal to rupees 29282. We need to find R. So just take this value by cross multiplication here in denominator. Okay. This is equation rule, as I told you yesterday, because some uh, sum is multiplied here, then by changing the sign you'll take in denominator to the power 4. 29282 over rupees 20,000. Let us divide first. So 29282, okay, 29282, okay, divided by 20,000. Okay, so we have 1.4641. 1 plus R over 100 to the power 4. Okay. So, when we change the side of power, then this will become as, like, if we have 1 plus R over 100 and we are changing R, then it will become like 1.4641 to the power 1 by 4. Like, for example, if we have like x square and we have y, and x will become power 1 by 2, because we take this value in denominator by taking numerator only 1 always. And if you have like 3 power, then you can write it as, by changing the side, it will become y to the power 1 by 3. Got it? In similar way, we are using this because here on left side we have power 4. By changing the side, you will have power 1 by 4. Are you getting? Are you getting this? By using calculator, you can find.
Yes, yes, got it.
Yeah. So now use calculator to find its value. Power 1 by 4. 1 by 4, or you can take just 0.25. So you will get here 1.1 only. Got it or not? After taking this 1/4 power of this value, after taking 1/4 power of 1.4641, we'll get this only. You got it? Now we need to find its value of R. So just subtract this one from right side. So R over 100 is equal to 1.1 minus 1 because we have 1 here and now we are subtracting from right side. Are you getting? This is equation rule. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So now r over 100 is equal to, we have here 0.1 after subtracting 1. So we need r only. So 0.1 into 100. So we have 10%. Okay. You got it?
Can you just go back? What 1.4641 into 0.25 you said, right?
No, no. Either you can take power 1 by 4 or you can take power 0.25 because meaning of 1 by 4 is 0.25. Either you can
Yes.
take this value or you can take this value. Okay.
Okay, so if we multiply 1.4641 by 0.25, it
No,
comes
no, no,
to
no.
0.
We will not just take the power. We can't multiply because in fractional power we just take power only. Okay, not like if we have square because this is like a one-fourth number of times, so we can't represent this one-fourth number of times. Okay, so just
Okay,
take the power by using calculator, you will get this value. Okay,
okay,
if you
okay.
have power 4 then you can multiply 4 times, but we can't multiply one-fourth number of times. Okay,
Right.
that is why just take the power, then you will get
Okay,
this 1.1, then just subtract this 1 from the right side, then you will get this 0.1, then just multiply by using cross multiplication, then you will get this value,
okay.
means rate of interest.
10%.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm. Next question, find a total amount with interest if the sum 8,000 is capped in the bank for 3 years with 12%, okay, compounded half yearly. You send me. Okay, compounded half yearly, let us do. It means we'll have 6 half years in 3 years. Got it? In 3 years, we have 6 half years. Got it? Because in 1 year, we have 2 half years. So obviously in 3 years, we have 6 half years. Then this rate of interest we have in per annum. Then we'll make it half for half yearly. Are you getting?
Yes, yes. 6%.
Yeah. Yeah. So here T is 8,000. R will be R is 12% per annum. Then 6% per half yearly. Okay. And N will be here 3 years, 6 half years. Just put in formula, in the same formula. A is equal to 1 plus R over 100 to the power N. So we have 8,000 and 1 plus we have 6 over 100 to the power 6. So 8,000 and we have 106 over 100 to the power 6. So can you calculate by using calculator only? You need to multiply this 6 times, Just write it. A is equal to 8,000 and just you can write 1.06. Now you can multiply 6 times. Got it? Because we have power 6. So you need to multiply this value 6 times. Like rupees 8,000 into 1.06 into 1.06 into 1.06 into 1.06 into 1.06, one more time because we have 6 times. Got it? So just calculate it and tell me.
1.4185. Is that correct?
Okay, I'm just doing 1.06 into 1.06 into 1.06 into 1.06. So what is the final answer after multiplying with 8,000? We have 11,348 rupees 15
11.1529.
paise. Yes. So just take up to two places of decimal, okay? Not more than that.
Okay, okay.
Because this is in rupees and this amount in paise. So
Right.
only take it up to two places of decimal. Got it? So in this way you can find such questions.
Yes.
Now see the next question,
Sure.
which is the difference between simple and compound interest on the certain amount for 4 years at 10% per annum is this. Find the principal. Means we need to first of all find P unknown, and we need to find CI and SI, and then differences between them is 1282. So do accordingly. We need to find P. Write down here A. What is A here? 9.5% per annum. And okay, I have seen the next one. This is 10% per annum and is, let us find SI. SI, you know, into N into R over 100. So P is unknown, N is 4, R is 10 over 100. So we have 40 over 100 into P. Yeah. Or we can write like mm, those are 2, 5. So we can write 2P. This is SI. Now let us find CI. CI is minus is P in bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power n. So P is unknown and 1 plus R is 10 over 100 to the power 4. So 1 plus 1 over 10 to the power 4. So P 11 over 10 to the power 4. This is A. Okay, and we need to find first CI. So CI is this P into 11 over 10, or just you can write, or just you can write it as like SI. We can write after using this, we can write as 0.4 P. Are you getting? We are dividing 2 by 5, so we have just 0.4 P. Got
Yes,
it?
yes.
And here, let us use it. Or you can do like 1.1, 1.1 to the power 4. Okay, this value. So just do it. 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1. 4 times we are multiply. So you will have 1.
1.4641. 4641.
Yes, exactly. So 1.4641 P minus P. You know why? Because amount is this. Because we have amount is Like from here, A is equal to 1.4641 P. Now we are finding CI. Now we have difference between CI and SI. We have. So given that difference between CI minus SI, they have given to us rupees 1282. Now write down here value of CI and SI, this value of CI and this value of SI. Let us put. Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Okay, just a second. Okay, we have P here. Then we'll subtract SI. So SI is 0.4. P is equal to rupees 1282. So let us take P common. So inside we have 1.4641 minus 1 minus 0.4. Are you getting? We have taken P as a common outside. This
Yes.
value we are taking. Yeah. So can you tell me the result after simplifying them?
So I have to simplify it once again. Just hold on. 1.4641 minus 1 minus 0.4. One second.
Because they are both of negative, so we can write it them as either you can do in
0.0641. Is that correct, ma'am?
yes exactly. So P you can find 1282 and divided by, because by using cross multiplication we can take this value in denominator. So just multiply this amount, this value by denominator. So 1282 divided by 0.0641, 20,000. You got it? So
No, I did
principal
not
amount
get
is,
it.
okay, I'm writing here.
One, 1282.
Yeah, divided by this value.
Yes.
So you will get this value after divide by this.
Yes,
Got it?
20,000. Yes, it's got it.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let us do next question. Chetan got a fixed deposit receipt of 50,000 for 4 years with rate of compound interest at 9.5% per annum. Find the total accumulated value of FD when it is mature after 4 years. So you have P, you have R, and you have also N. You need to find only A. Okay? You need to find only A. You can find directly, okay? By using formula 24th question. Got it? You have P
Yes.
50,000, N is 4 year, N is 4, and R is 9.5. So just do it.
So the formula that we have to use is P
A.
into N into R
Yes,
upon 100.
yes, yes, exactly. Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So now let us do the 25th. Amit keeps a fixed deposit of 25,000 in a yes bank for 3 years. If rate of interest is 10% per annum, compounded annually, what is the total amount? Same, same as use direct formula. Okay, use direct formula in this also. In 25th, let us see the 26th. Check kept 20,000 for 4 years in a bank as a fixed deposit at a time of maturity. He received total amount of this. with compound interest. Find the rate of interest. Same as like question number, okay, what comes, same as question number 21. Okay, 26th question is same as of question number 21. Okay, they
Okay.
are same. Yes. And let us see the 27. Preeti kept a certain amount in a fixed deposit for a corporation bank, which offer 10% rate of interest, compounded annually. At the time of maturity after 4 years, he received this. Find the principal amount. You can find in the same way, okay? Follow the same step, and by using that, you can find P. So, can you do it, or shall I tell you? What do you say?
Yeah, if you can show it to me, it will be great. Preeti.
Yeah. So, you can do this question?
Yes.
Okay. Let us see 28. Juhi kept 30,000 as a fixed deposit in a bank for 2 years. She received this at the time of maturity. Calculate the rate of interest. Same as same as 21. 21, 26, and 28. Similar question. Okay. 29. The simple and compound interest for 2 years on the same principal at the same rate are this and this. Find the principal and the rate of interest. Okay. We have CI, SI and CI both, and we need to find P and R. Okay, I'm telling you this question.
Okay.
29th. And it would be better after this question, first you do the previous question, then we'll do the further, because you have lots of work to do. Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So before, after this question, just practice for those questions. If you feel any doubt, then we'll do during the class. And if you will do all of them, then we'll do the next topic. So 29th question. Because 30th question the same as 20, 29th. Okay. And 32 question number, calculate the compound interest that you need to find CI, and you have time, principal, and also rate of interest. And similarly, B part, you need to find amounts. Just simple use the formula. Okay, that is why I'm telling you this question till 30, till 32 question you can do easily. Okay, so just try them. I'm telling you this 29th. The simple and compound interest for 2 years, okay, on the same principle. We need to find P and R, both are unknown, and N is 2 years, and we need to do compounded yearly. That is why we'll use same as. So here SI is rupees 7,200, and CI is rupees 7,632. Find the principal and rate of interest. So just use the formula for the both. So SI is P into N into R over 100 is equal to rupees 7,200. So we have 2PR, and you can just cross multiply this 100 with this amount, then you will get, or you can just take 50 here. So just multiply 50, and we have P into R. So just multiply 50 with this amount 7,200. What will you get? Just tell me. 7,200 into 50. So you have rupee 3,60,000
Thousand. Yes.
PR. Now let us use formula for CI, and CI is A minus P. And A we are using CI uh, A, we have formula for A. Let us use it. P in bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power N and minus P, and this is equal to rupees 7,602 32. Sorry. So from here you can take P. P is equal to, you can write it 3 lakh 60,000 over R. You can write it value of P. Now take the common P, and you have 1 plus R over 100 to the power 4, sorry 2, because we have n is equal to 2 and minus 1, and you have rupees 77632. Now let us use the formula for P from here. Let us use the value. The rupees 3,60,000 over R, 1 plus R over 100 to the power 2 minus 1, and rupees 7632. Are you getting? So just see here, this is in denominator. After changing the side, you will multiply in numerator, and this is in numerator. Multiply in numerator. Just change by changing the side. Take it in denominator by using equation rule. So now we have 1 plus R over 100 to the power 2 minus 1 is equal to uh, rupees 7,276, okay, 7,632 into R over 3 lakh 60,000. You got it? Just we multiply this R in numerator and just divide, take denominator this value by using equation rule. So let us simplify it. So tell me the value. 7,632 divided by 3,60,000 is equal to
Zero point
rupees
zero two one two.
into R. Okay. So do you remember binomial expansion? Do you remember that? Binomial expansion, I'm telling you. Or you can just use the like formula, means identity a plus b whole square. You can use that. Okay. So remember this identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So do as, because we have power 2. So 1 square plus r square over 100 square plus 2 into a is 1, b is r over 100 minus 1 is equal to 0 point rupees 0.0212 into r. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. So obviously we'll cancel it because it is also 1 and this 1. We'll cancel it. So r square over 100 square is 10,000 plus, or just we can write 2r over 100 is equal to rupees 0.0212 R. So just take, do you remember quadratic equation? How to solve quadratic equation?
Hmm.
Okay. So we can write it as 0.0001 R. Why we are using? Because we have four zeros in denominator. So when
Right.
we divide 1 by 10,000, then obviously we'll get the same. And we have here by dividing by 100, we have 0. This is R square 0.02 R is equal to this one 0 0.0212 R. Just take this on one side, okay? Because we need to solve value of R. That is why we are taking only on one side. Equation rule is equal to 0. Now we can take R as a common because we have R here and here also. Okay, so you can take as a common. So you have here only R, 0.0001 R plus 0.02 minus 0.012 R is equal, sorry, we are not taking R here because we have taken already common. So if we take this is equal to 0, then R will be 0. Neglect this value because R can't be 0. Neglect. So now solve for it. So can you tell me value of, so we have here, are you getting which I'm telling you? Are you getting? So just solve inside value because when we take in the form of factors, R and this entire are factors of the given equation. So now just if we are taking R is equal to 0 and other time we'll take this all is equal to 0. So just do it. R is 0, just neglect this because R can't be 0. So now solve for it. So 0.0001 R. And after subtracting this value from this, we'll get minus 0.002 only is equal to 0. So 0.0001 R is equal to 0.002. And now let us find R. R is equal to 0.002 divided by 0.0001. So let us find now 0.002 divided by 0.0001. So you'll have 20 here, 20%. Are you getting?
Yes, yes. This seems to be a little difficult. Will they be asking such questions in the examination?
If they'll ask you, because you can do quickly also, because there is no need to calculate by means manually. You can use calculator only.
Yes,
Okay. So we are using because I'm telling you from the very basics. That is why it is
yes.
taking
Okay.
time. Because if we skip, uh, if I skip any step, then you will confuse. That's why I'm telling you each and every step.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
But it's a
But in
little
exam, you
difficult.
can. Yeah, I'm telling you how can you do it. See, we have SI and we have CI. Next,
Right.
we need to use formula for both. Okay, because two values are unknown. Obviously, they'll give you in long question, not in short. Highest marks question they'll give you. If they'll give you such kind of question, then they'll give you in highest marks. So now you can find PR is equal to this. Okay, just find any even R or P in terms of different one. Means we are taking here P in terms of R. Just take it. Now find Ci using the formula we are finding. Now use value of P here. Okay. So by equation rule, we just, if any value is multiplied, then just divide. And any value in divide means dividing left side, then just multiply on right side. Okay. Just do opposite of means use opposite operation on left side by changing the sign. We are doing so. Okay. So we are doing so. You
Okay.
can use this step. Yeah. After that, you can use only calculator to calculate quickly. Okay, because
Okay.
you have here this identity a plus b whole square, because you have two terms and having square.
Right.
Even they'll give you rarely such kind of question. If they'll give you, then give you in highest marks question. So just
Yes.
practice, then we'll cancel this one and this minus one to each other. Then take the left term, and now we have only terms in r. Okay, just some simplify. You can use by calculator, you can do it quickly also. So just do it and can find the value of r. R is 20%. So you put in this formula. Okay, you can use any formula to find the P. Either you can put here also. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, one my mistake. Sorry. Because we are subtracting this value from this, so obviously we'll get here this one also here, because we have one also here, because 2 is subtracted from this. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Because little bit. This is 0.020, right down here. Then after that, you will get this value. And this also. Just find it. So 0.12, sorry, 0.012 is divided by 0.0001. Just a second. We have four places of decimal. Yes. Let me check if there is some error on two places. Yep. Sorry. Here. Because here we are subtracting this 0.02 we have, and we are subtracting 0.0212. So obviously you have minus value of 0.00 and 12. So four places of decimal, yes. Then we'll get 12%. 12%. So now let us find P also. Use any formula, or just simple here. Put here P is equal to rupees 36, sorry, 3,60,000, and R is 12%. So just divide it. 12% to, either you can take 12% or, yep, 30,000. You got it? You got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just write all questions, okay, which we have discussed, so that we can start the new topic. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in next class, okay? But try
Sure,
to do
sure.
all of them, okay? Try to do all of
Yes,
them.
yes.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
all right.
That's all for
So
today.
you,
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, like where you can see the saved whiteboard and recording.
No, can you show it to me?
Sure, sure. Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the saved whiteboard and also recording. See, this is your class. Just open the study
Yes.
material section.
Okay.
You have here saved whiteboard. Okay.
Okay.
Date wise you have. Okay. And recording you have here.
Okay,
And today's
understood.
recording you will see after few hours, maybe after
Okay.
1 hour or more also. Okay.
No problem. Yes.
Yeah. So you have here all of saved whiteboard here. Then you can use for revision or for practice also.
Okay, okay.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So just okay. You're welcome.